Do you know that you could get paid to watch some movies on your smartphone or your computer? So this is going to be working worldwide, and you could be also doing this and make some good extra income online. But the thing is that not everyone is gonna do this stuff, and not everyone is gonna take action on this, and that's the reason why only 1% of the people make all the money in the world. So if you are really serious, want to make some money online, then just keep watching this video till the end. And before we jump into our awesome content, just smash the like button, press the subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm, so that our video gets promoted to more and more people, and more people can discover this awesome way to make some good money online. So let's get started into the video. Need to come to this website, which is known as animearena.com. Now this is one of the best website, and don't skip this video because I'm gonna show you. The thing you have to do on this website is to just watch this movies, as well as you can just read this comic books, as well as many other things. Okay, so all these things are available on this website. Now I'm gonna reveal to you how you can be making some money with this website. Now this is not gonna make you super rich, but still it can be a good decent income, and you can really have some good amount of money with this. Okay, and the thing is that you just need to watch a particular movie or read a particular comic book or anything like that, and what you need to do is then create a review about that. Okay, means you just watch the movie. For example, I watched the movie Frozen, and then I wrote a review about how I like the movie and just gave my honest opinion about that movie, that what are the characters of the movie, how was the movie, overall experience of the movie. That is something that you have to do. So the thing is that you can just watch movies and just write a review for this. And the thing is that it is very easy to write a review for this, because the thing is that you just need to see over here. All you need to do is, you can see over here, the pay is $15 per review. You can see this, the pay is $15 per review, with maximum 10 reviews every single per month. So means you can be making absolutely $150 every single month just by posting 10 awesome reviews of the movies which you have seen, or the comic books or video games which you have played, or the comic books which you have read. So this is one of the best opportunity. So you can see all the instructions about what you have to do to join to this community. Is that each review you need a minimum of 550 words long and must be original and no plagiarism. Okay, at the end of each review, please rate the material from the scale 1 to 10. So you just have to read this, what are the instructions. Okay, okay, so they are just looking for some good, awesome, talented writers who can nicely review this movies and other stuff. Okay, so you will be paid $15 per review. So if you are interested in writing for Animation Arena, please send us an email. You just need to send them an email on this email address. Okay, let me zoom in. This is the email address, that is arenamaster.animationarena.com. as well as just check out this link over here. Okay, animationarena.com/arena writer. Now you just need to go to this website. Okay, you cannot find this page on this over here. You just need to type this URL on your computer bar. Okay, so you can see that you just need to send an email, and you just have to write this as a subject line, that is writing for Animation Arena 2011. This will be your subject line. Okay, as well as you just have to please answer the following question within your email. Your name, you just have to write your name, your age, the subjects which you would like to review. Okay, then what do you think about movies, and make a review and a good review. Okay,
what are your favorite TV shows. So you can also do that stuff. Also write a review about TV shows, because once you have watched the movie or TV show, you know, you have a particular opinion about that movie. You can just share your opinions regarding that movie, whatever you felt, how was your experience, everything like this. You can just find a lot of things. Okay, you just need to understand, watch the movie and just write your experience as per what you felt. Okay, so what games are you playing right now, and you can also write about games, the comic books which you are reading right now, and what are your top 5 movies of for 2010. Okay, so this can be one of the best things which you can definitely do. You can just watch movies, or read comic books, or you can just do something. Okay, read movies or watch anything, and you can just provide this, or write about video games, and you can provide this on this website and start earning a decent amount of money. I'm not gonna say that this is a over amount of money, but still you just have to do minimum work, and still you are able to earn this money just by watching your favorite movies, reading your favorite comic books, or playing your favorite video games. This is like a dream come true for many of the people, because have you ever thought that you could be really get paid for doing this very simple things which most of the people love the most? And this is something which you have got the opportunity for. Definitely take action on this method, and really I wish that you make some good money online with this strategy.